Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling what matters: your ID and clear proof that the person you represent is the first descendant. Once done, document recent incidents with dates, photos, and messages because courts grant emergency measures on present risk. Make sure to call police if there is imminent danger and ask for a protective action. They can create a record. Then contact the court clerk or a legal aid intake to start an ex parte petition so a judge can consider emergency relief today. You now file the petition or affidavit requesting emergency relief, often called ex parte, so the judge sees the urgent need without delay. Explain why standard notice would increase risk and attach your strongest evidence: medical reports, witness statements, photos, so the judge can act on the record. Ask for precise remedies: a restraining order, temporary custody or supervised contact, and any safety conditions. Once filed, make sure the clerk schedules an immediate hearing or issues temporary measures. You attend the hearing prepared. Bring originals, a clear timeline, and witnesses ready to speak to immediate risk. If the judge grants emergency measures, obtain the signed order and arrange prompt service. Use the sheriff or professional server so enforcement is effective. Make sure to ask how long the temporary measures last and file for a longer-term hearing before they expire. Troubleshooting tip: if service or enforcement fails, return to court immediately and request an emergency show cause or assistance from law enforcement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.